What's the meaning of chinook salmon? Chinook salmon. Chinook salmon.
Chinook salmon. Chinook salmon.
Chinook salmon, also known as king salmon, is a type of salmon that is highly sought after for its large size and rich flavor. These fish are native to the Pacific Ocean and can be found along the coasts of North America and Asia. Chinook salmon are an important food source for humans and wildlife, and are also popular among sport fishermen. They are known for their distinctive pink-orange flesh and high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which are believed to have numerous health benefits. However, overfishing and habitat destruction have led to declines in Chinook salmon populations in some areas.